Hello, my YouTube friends. Me and Aaron's back. Fist bump. Aaron's laughing. The puppy was doing silly stuff. Here she comes. Come here, Lass. You want to get on the video? Come here, baby. She's too busy playing. Okay.
She's doing something.
She's doing stuff. She got to smell stuff. All right, we're going to unbox this real fast. Something I picked up on eBay, of course. And we're going to show you what it's for. What's up, Aaron? Oh, yeah, Aaron was watching for the delivery. Look at this. Torvey Trade Stuff, collectibles. There's a little puppy on there. This is where this came from. Torvey Trade Stuff, collectibles, rare finds, vintage and antique. Check that out. You want to see that puppy? Okay, so what we got in here is vintage and antique. It is vintage. Let's get this out of the package and show you real fast. I sharpened my knife finally. Look at that. Cuts nice. Okay, these are, got the black frame. Oh, they're cool. So I have the red train down there. I have the red, oh, this is on, this was probably wind up, because look how that goes. I think wind ups did that. So when they started out, it wasn't, gave them a little leeway. But anyhow, I have the Commodore Vanderbilt with the red Pullmans down there, and I wanted some green ones because I needed to lengthen the train, and since it's Christmas, on the Christmas layout, green and red. Here's something I didn't notice when I bought them, plastic wheels. Plastic wheels, it has the right couplers, but they're the slip kind, but that's fine. Plastic wheels roll. I have one car with plastic wheels. So let's see what the other one looks like. This will complete the Christmas passenger train, the Marx Christmas passenger train. Okay. Same thing, plastic wheels and the slip couplers. All right. Well, at least I got a little green to go in the red train. Lengthen the passenger train. All right, Aaron, give me a thumbs up. Boom! See you down in the train room. Okay, here's my plan. I don't really like the plastic wheels. And one of them, they're rolling okay, but this one is broke. So it's not rolling okay, it's all wobbling. So back in the day, for my 259E cars that I restored, that I found on the concrete floor, all flat, I bought this bag of Lionel wheels. So I got Lionel pre-war wheels with axles. So I see the Lionel wheels don't want to, they don't want to roll on these skinny Marx axles. So I got Lionel axles, but the only thing is I'm gonna have to drill this hole out to fit the Lionel axles. So I may upgrade these two cars with some Lionel metal wheels. Why not? And I seen this on Chuck's channel. He always has old Marx, and he said about the wind-ups trains did this. So when they start out, it wasn't, they can get it rolling before the pressure would hit. That's why these ones slide. So we'll leave them like that. So let me see if I can switch these over to Lionel wheels. Lionel pre-war wheels. Okay, I switched these ones out. I got the pre-war Lionel wheels on there. They're slightly bigger. The axles were slightly bigger, so I had to drill the holes. And the wheels are slightly bigger, but we got plenty of clearance. They're spinning nice. So I don't know, I think I'm gonna do the same for this car. I mean, I got enough pre-war wheels. Why not? Let's upgrade. Marks with Lionel wheels. I like it. Okay, I got the Lionel wheels installed. I shined them up. Here's the old Marks wheels. They were rolling, just one was broken, wobbling. So I'm probably not the first guy to put Lionel wheels on Marks trains, but first time at the Coverdale mine. I already tested them. They work good, roll good. So I'm happy. I like the metal wheels over plastic. I like the clickety-clack. So I'm happy with it. So here's what's cool about them couplers. Them sliding couplers. When the train takes off, it gives it a little spread. See that? And then you come to a stop, there's a little shock absorber. So I thought that was cool. I thought I'd show you that. I learned that by watching Chuck's Lionel and Marks trains. Chuck was the one that got me into Marks trains, watching his channel. So I had to start a Marks collection. So here we got Christmas train on the 4th of July. Here's a good one. Recognize that house? That's Ralphie's house. You'll shoot your eye out. I don't know if you can tell, but it even got the lamp in the window there. It's hard to see the video. It's got the leg lamp.
Thanks so much for watching to the end.